Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that can not only keep you safe, but also keeps you protected against unnecessary legal action when it comes to talking to the police. What are your rights when you're talking to the police as a teenager? If a cop stops you, do you have to answer questions? Can they search your backpack? Or can you just walk away? Let's break down what you need to know if you're ever in that situation, so you're ready and not scared. So, first and foremost, what are Miranda rights? You've seen it in movies. You have the right to remain silent. That's called your Miranda rights. These rights come from a court case, Miranda versus Arizona, and they protect you from saying something that could be used or held against you. Miranda rights include the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. The right to an attorney, and if you can't afford one, an attorney will be provided. But here's the important part. Police don't have to read you your rights unless they're questioning you and you're in custody, which means you're not free to leave. If you're just being stopped or talked to but not arrested, they don't have to say anything. Do you have to talk to the police? If a police officer walks up to you and starts asking questions, do you have to answer? If you're not being detained or arrested, you have the right to remain silent. You can politely say, I don't want to answer any questions without a lawyer. Don't lie. Don't argue, just be calm and peaceful, as well as respectful. If you're under 18, police still may question you without a parent present, but anything you say can still be used against you. Some states give minors extra protections, like requiring a parent or a guardian for questioning, but that varies, so don't count on it. Your best bet, ask for a lawyer every single time. Can police search you or your personal items? Let's talk about searches. Can police search your backpacks or your phones? Not without one of these. Your permission, a warrant, or probable cause, like if they see something illegal on you. At the end of the day, you can always say, I don't consent to a search. This doesn't mean that they won't search you, but it protects your rights later in court. But what about school? Good question. School officials like the principal don't need a warrant. They just need a reasonable suspicion. But if police are doing the search, not school staff, they usually need a warrant or your personal permission. And lastly, can you walk away? Let's say an officer walks up and says, hey, come here for a second. Can you just walk away? It depends on the kind of stop and your overall demeanor. If it's a consensual stop, you're free to leave and the police don't suspect you of anything. You can say or ask, am I free to go? If it's a detention or Terry stop, that means that the police most likely suspect you of something. You're not under arrest, but you are not free to leave. And they can frisk you for weapons if they think you're dangerous. Always ask, am I being detained or am I free to go? Now, when you're held under arrest, you are not free to leave, and you have the right to remain silent and ask for a lawyer. Remember, stay calm, stay polite, and do not run or resist, even if you think it's unfair. What do you do when you're in a group or filming a video? What if you're with friends and someone's filming? You can legally record in public as long as you're not interfering and you're not breaking any other laws such as trespassing. Police may ask you to stop, but the First Amendment protects your rights to record them in public places. If you're in a group and they question one of you, you still have the right to remain silent, refuse consent to a search, and leave if you are not being detained. But what do you do if the police do end up detaining or arresting you? If you're ever detained or arrested, here's what you need to do. Stay silent. Let them know and say, I want to remain silent. Ask for a lawyer. You can just say straight up, I want to talk to a lawyer. Call your parent or guardian. You usually get one phone call. Do not lie, fight, run, argue, or resist. Even if you're innocent, fighting back can make things worse and land you with additional charges. Anything you say after being arrested can be used in court, even if you didn't intend for it to be taken that way. But can your school punish you for talking to the police? Here's something a lot of teens don't realize. Your school can discipline you even if charges are dropped or never filed. If the incident happened on campus, school rules still apply, even if it's being handled by police as well. If you're suspended or expelled because of something police-related, talk to a lawyer who knows education law and juvenile justice. So, what are your rights summarized into one sentence? As a teen, you still have constitutional rights. You have the right to stay silent, say no to searches, ask if you're free to leave, or ask for a lawyer. Use those rights respectfully, but still use them. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like or a comment down below, and let me know if you have any ideas for new topics for videos. I'm totally open to whatever you guys are interested in, and make sure to share this with a friend who you think could benefit from it. I'm Yasmin, your go-to for all things law and teen related, and I'll see you in the next video.